How to renew a green card. Renewing a standard 10-year U.S. green card is a straightforward administrative process, provided you begin the application when your current card has already expired or is within 6 months of its expiration date. It is important to note that this specific renewal process applies only to permanent residents holding the standard 10-year card. If you hold a 2-year conditional card obtained through marriage or investment, you cannot use the standard renewal application. Instead, you must file a petition to remove the conditions on your residence within the 90 days before your card expires. To proceed with a standard renewal, you must complete and submit Form I-90, the application to replace permanent resident card, with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. You have the choice to file this form online through a secure portal or to print and mail a paper application. Filing online is generally recommended because it allows you to submit your information instantly, pay fees digitally, and track the status of your case in real time. Along with the completed form, you must provide a clear photocopy of both the front and back of your current or expired green card as supporting evidence. The application requires a standard filing fee, which can be paid via credit card, debit card, or electronic bank transfer for online filings, or by a check made out to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security if you choose to mail it. If you are facing severe financial hardship, receive a means-tested benefit, or fall below a specific household income threshold, you may request a fee waiver by submitting Form I-912. However, fee waiver requests cannot be filed online and must be submitted through the mail using the paper version of the application. After your application is received and accepted, you will be issued a Form I-797, Notice of Action Receipt Letter. This receipt notice officially extends the validity of your expired green card for up to 36 months from its original expiration date, allowing you to travel internationally and prove your legal employment eligibility when presented alongside your physical expired card. Depending on your case, you may receive a notice to attend a biometrics appointment at a local center to update your photo and fingerprints, though this requirement is frequently waived for routine renewals. Once the background checks and processing are finalized, your new card will be printed and delivered to your mailing address. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.